Hi. Today I'll show how to stick together broken headphone cable and repair it, so you save money by not having to buy new headphones or pay someone to repair what you can do yourself. I love pets. One such very dear pet ruined my nice Audio Technica ATH-M20X headphone cord. Now this headphone cable is broken and not working, it needs fix. To do the job you will need some DIY tools, a soldering kit and some heat shrink tubings. If you've found the guts to do this cable fix, then start by cutting out the damaged section, but cut out a little longer part than the cable is damaged. If the damage is not in the middle of the cable, but close to the headphone structure itself or close the 3.5mm jack, then it's better to use a different repair method. Click more from Techscrew DIY and there will be instructions on how to replace the 3.5mm jack or how to repair a damaged cable near the headphone construction. But in our case the wire is damaged in the middle and today's tutorial is perfect for that. Start by stretching the cable. This will release the excess cable outer jacket which will prolong the life of the cable. Do the same for the other part of the cable. In the next step you have to remove the cable jacket, but carefully, without damaging the cable cores inside, which you then divide by color. Repeat the same process for the other end of the cable and split the cores. Then all 6 cores tinned so that they can then be soldered together more easily and give higher quality connection. Cut several heat shrink tubes of different diameters and lengths, which will then be placed on top of the soldered area. It is essential to pinch off the excess ends of the wires so that they are all equal and ready for soldering. The same should be done with the other cable wires. After that, it remains to connect all the wires together. Solder together the first core pair and insulate it with insulating tape so that there is no short circuit between them. Then connect the next pair of wires, again insulating them with insulating tape. And connect the last pair of wires, which can be left free of insulation tape as it has nothing to short circuit. Apply superglue on the new cable joint and a little glue on the ends of the cables to make everything stick together better. Then put the first heat shrink tubing on top and heat it. Then put glue again and put on the next heat shrink tubing to form a sealed joint, then put the others tubings on. I put on 5 PCs, the aim is to get a solid, complete joint. As a result, this place must not be bent, so as not to damage the internal connections. I can congratulate you, you have repaired your headphones and connected together the 2 wires that were damaged. A perfect way to fix headphones and save money without buying new headphones. Last check. How I long for that sound. Super, everything works. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below this video. As always, I'd love if you hit that like button and if it was useful also subscribe. Bye.